Hi everyone. So I am going to show you my website and I'm using a movie database API, which basically lets you search movies and you can find out the ratings and the year it was made and whatnot. So I'm just gonna do a little walkthrough of this website. It's not 100% the best or, certain things do need to be tweaked out, but I did try my best. So hopefully everything works for the most part. So as you can see here, I am currently in the login page. So, I already have my login, so I'm just going to log in, but you can create your own. You can make it like, I don't know, John Doe 123 and the password be Jane Doe 567, and it'll still work. So we're gonna log in. And this gets you to the landing page. And here it says welcome username. So my username is Bhavna dash 93. That's what I chose, but it's just a little landing page. As you can see, I did a little blue and purple theme just to make it more bright and lively. And definitely you can add more to this page as well. You can add a little synopsis, you can add, you know, whatever you want, add your favorite movies and whatnot, which I probably should have. But I just chose to do a little welcome to the user. So that's my landing page. If I go over here, this is the profile page. Basically, in the profile page, the user, it's basically their account. So you can see that there's the username that, or the email that I registered with, and my username that I created. And then I can also see my password. And if I wish, I can set a new password and update profile. I won't be doing it right now because I already like what I have. Um, but it is something that you can do. Um, and if I click home, it gets you to the main page, which is where we're going to start to look up movies. So as you can see, I was playing around to click more, but you can click any movie on the top, and you're gonna click fetch info. And basically what this is going to do is it's going to look into the database and the keywords in the database. And if it finds something that matches with it, it's going to show you the year, the type it is, ratings if they're available, the year it was made, seasons, and episodes. Um, and if it doesn't have any of that, it will say not available NA. Um, and here you can choose category to save it into your save list, or how you want to save it into your wish list. So say I want to save it as a rewatch, and I'm gonna click add to list, and I already have it here. Actually, let me do something else. See what's another. Um, Super. Fetch info, full slow. Well, laptop's a little slow right now. If I add it to wish list, I can see now I've had Iron Man added as a movie. I also tried this with other movies. I've tried it with Small Spider-Man. I selected it as a movie, and as you can see, that was um on the 12th. Well, actually, it's supposed to be today, but I think it's usually another date. But yeah, I added Batman as a favorite, and then Avatar I added on the 8th, as a watch later. So you can really just do whatever you want with it. It's really up to you. can always go back to wishes or go back to home and search another thing. Uh, And so you can see this movie is already in your wish list, added to wish list under category movie. So it tells you, hey, like you already have this in your list, you don't have to add it again. This is what you have it in. This is a saved movie list. You can basically create your own movie list in a sense and add it that way. So you can create like horror and you can do by name and you can do ascending and I can change it to 15. This page doesn't work that well, but because this was no saved list, but still working out the quirks in this page, so hopefully I get it up soon. Um, but yeah, that's just a little bit about my page. It's really just a, movie API fetcher. It searches up by keywords, so certain words might not work, like Stranger Things still don't work. Um, but other things do work. I can show you Stranger Things. It's not in the keyword in the database, so it's not going to. So you no results found. Um, but yeah, and then if I click here, through here, these are all my databases, and only these two have a little error uh, here, but yeah, that's everything. But thank you so much for watching. We like it.